Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize Binance trading layout. So just log into my official account. So here I will just tap on this margin, and after I will just tap on the top right corner of three dots. Just tap on it. After inside, tap to preferences, the number one option, and follow these arrows to understand. So just tap on this layout position of, so drag the following item to adjust the display order of your position tab. So I will just drag to open folder is below and position is up. Now I will just go back and check it on the trading section, so you will see there are some changes. So this is how to use layout on Binance. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.